Okay guys, so today, mowing Jim's lawn. I know I just got done mowing my lawn about 2 days ago. Now it's time to mow Jim's lawn. I've been having issues with the mow. I'm going to have to call Midwest because of that at the end. I'm not touching nobody's buttons. I'll have to tell Minneapolis Mowing later, mine, and pick up all those chips. Because after this mower doesn't that link, don't that much, and this mower does. I'm gonna go mow around his buildings for him, and then most of it he can get. It's his mower. Jim's lawn actually isn't that big. He has somebody come and mow some of the biggie areas. They just do around his house and stuff. I guess somebody else comes in. We've wasted quite a bit of fuel in this. Only doing a little at my house and your house. Thing is, he had this house built a long time ago. He doesn't. This is his mom and dad's house, really. He has his lawn here and stuff. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do so. It helps us out a ton. We appreciate it so much. It's been about a month since we've mowed your yard, Jim. Overgrown. Same thing with my lawn. It was like, well, because we had harvest and stuff, we were busy with other things. Oh, John Deere runs like a deer. Jim at his house, he has like a little patio. We chill out, we have cookouts there every night there. Or we have a cookout at my house every night. We had once a week. You may go around your grain bins. These are actually his mom and dad. His mom and dad does a little farming. So these are for them. All they do is wheat, and then they take the wheat, and then they give it to people and they do stuff with it, and they sell it. But he gets a little money from it. Much though, but it's okay for them for no more than to do. Old John Deere runs like a deer. Try pulling up your mower. I can't get up there. I got it. Okay. See, Minneapolis Mowing, it's a powerful tractor. Don't want to pull it down. rider. We need to get you a thunder for your house. Yeah, his mom and dad has, like, this is his mom and dad's rider, and his mom and dad may have a million Batwing. And they have a few other tractors they keep somewhere else. It's really all you guys use it for is mowing your guys' lawn. Yeah. And then, well, this shit here we actually placed for us, so the loader and buckets in here. But we keep a few chemical totes in here, and then our seeds in here. It's a mess. We'll take care of it later. There's my pallet forks. But we've ate a little bit of chemicals, so when our trailer comes empty, we come here and that fills it pretty well up. I better shut that up since we got chemicals in there. And there's trucks in there. Jim's truck.
Why finish that?
Well, that's probably a good thing. Do you think we should change oil in a tractor? I mean, we can do it. Be free. I got an oil filter at the farm. Yeah, I'll go get it. I'll go get it in my oil room for the Minneapolis Mowing. I think this is, nope, wrong room. I always get confused.
Do you have a oil filter for the Little John?
No, I don't. That you think you can get at May West.
Okay.
Can you come to my house and let me out?
Where?
I'm in this one closet, and for some reason you can't get out of it from in here. I'm by the 6175. Apparently you can't get out of it. I was in the wrong room. I probably shouldn't have shut the door and stood right in front of it. Let me go get the oil filter. Where is she at? Minneapolis Mowing, I have got it. You want to take my truck? What truck we want to take?
You want to take Gators?
Oh yeah, we can take the Gator. It's a pretty nice day. I got it in the toy shed. Those doors, they make so skinny.
Yeah.
And I can't fit through it good. You gotta basically wiggle yourself in. It makes me dizzy when I do it. Who's driving, me or you?
You can drive.
Okay.
I had a little bit of doctor.
Okay, I'll drive. I know he has a Polaris Outlander, but we found this as easy as anything else. So, we can actually get 3 people in here. So, I guess we can change oil for your mom and dad for free. Yeah, they'll be happy. That comes in handy. Well guys, this is probably a wrap on today's video. If you haven't subscribed, haven't liked, haven't commented, haven't shared, please do so. Next video is going to be exciting. So, smash the like button, and we'll see you guys later.